What is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video, I'm gonna be fixing Vivo A5S. So the problem of this phone is it's gonna boot up properly. You can see that you can enter password, but after a few seconds it's gonna restart itself. So without pressing any power button, it would restart itself. And as you can see, LCD is already attached to the frame, so we'll need to put some glue on that LCD. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel, and don't forget to register on Envolve Asia. You'll earn extra income if you sign up with Envolve Asia. So here basically I'm just testing the phone. I turned it on. There's a battery on the phone, and I plug in the charger just to make sure it won't shut down. And then after a few seconds of observing the phone, it restarts itself. So that's basically what the customer reported, and it shuts off the phone. So let's go ahead and disassemble the phone. Let's remove the SIM card tray and start prying the back cover. And you have to be careful because there's a fingerprint on the back cover, so we don't want to damage it. And we'll need to put some glue on the LCD screen. LCD screen still working, touch is working, so we don't have to replace it. So we just have to apply heat on the back cover and then start frying it. So I'm using blade and suction cup just to remove the back cover, and then frying tools. So by the way, the tools that I've been using on my repair is listed on the description, so you might want to order it. Just check on the description on my YouTube channel or on my Facebook page. And then let's remove the fingerprint. There's a screw on the fingerprint, so you'll need to remove the screw first. And be careful. I'm using tweezer to remove the fingerprint. And then before I start doing some troubleshooting, I like to remove the old glue first. I wanna see it while doing troubleshooting. I'd like to clean it first. So I'm just removing the old glue. And then next is remove the screws that holds the back cover. So let's remove the screws and then start prying the edges of the back cover to remove it. So now the back cover has been removed. Let's remove the screw that holds the motherboard, because we'll be testing the power switch. So we'll be turning on the phone, and then we'll try to we'll be testing the power switch. We'll power on the phone and then deattach the motherboard from the power switch, just to make sure or verify if there's a problem with the power switch. So I'm just finding a way how to remove the motherboard from the frame. So here you gotta be careful on this step, because the motherboard is the main circuit board of the phone. We don't want to damage it. Alright, so here I turned on the phone. Power switch is no longer attached to the main board. The volume buttons or volume switch is no longer attached to the main board. And I can feel some heat in the motherboard. And as you can see, it auto restarts itself. So that means power switch and the volume switch is not the issue for this phone. So restarting of the phone may also caused by a defective battery. So let's try to replace the battery here. So I have a new battery there. So it's a new battery, and I turn it on. And it shuts off again. So meaning something else is causing the problem and not the battery, the power switch, and the volume switch. So I went to the recovery mode and I was surprised that it stayed turned on. So as you can see, I'm on the recovery mode. It did not shut off. So I was thinking that it could be a motherboard problem or a software problem or operating system problem. So what I did is, since we cannot fix a motherboard problem, I tried to reformat the operating system instead. I used unlock tool to do the factory reset because the customer forgets the Gmail account and they cannot use the Gmail account to log in after restarting it. So I used unlock tool, and the process on resetting to factory reset for Oppo A5S is on this video. It's on the link on the description, so you can just watch it and follow it. It's basically the same process, and now I was able to fix the problem. And customer is happy, and we got the phone working. So job is done. Let's go. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have questions or comments, just put it on the description below. Let's go.